Hello, foodies! Imagine the aroma of a Bangalore morning. That perfect, vibrant, and soul satisfying hotel style sambar, silky, tangy, and just the right amount of sweet. Today, I'm letting you in on this professional secret to making the iconic hotel style Tiffin Sambar or the Sambar for idlis and dosas right in your kitchen. Trust me, once you try this, there is no going back. So let's dive in and let's see how to make this hotel style Tiffin Sambar or the Sambar for idli and dosas. Look, these are the ingredients required to make this sambar. Take a screenshot of it and let's see how to make this perfect sambar powder. The soul of this sambar lies in the fresh masala, and these are the exact measurements. So I'm taking nearly 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, that's dhania, 3 teaspoons. And then we'll add nearly 2 teaspoons of urad dal, that's uddina vede, 2 teaspoons of it. And then we'll add nearly a 1 teaspoon, just 1 teaspoon of kadale bele, that's the gram dal, 1 teaspoon of it. And also a 1 teaspoon of jeera, that's cumin. And this is the flavoring agent, that's the methi seeds or the fenugreek seeds, nearly quarter teaspoon of it. And also a quarter teaspoon of black pepper corns for the perfect balanced punch. And then we'll add a 1 inch of a cinnamon for the warmth. And for that world famous color, we'll add nearly 12 high quality Badgi red chillies. And these are all the ingredients required to make a sambar powder. Now let's see how to roast this sambar powder masalas. We'll add a teaspoon of oil to the pan and we'll add all the spice mixture into this pan. And this is the teaspoon which I'm taking, but here is the hotelier secret technique: 1 teaspoon of raw rice. This is what gives the sambar that incredible body and thickness you find in the best hotels. Roast everything until it has a beautiful biscuit brown and the aroma fills your home. And now you can see the masalas are perfectly roasted. To finish off the roast, we'll add nearly 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and we'll add the dry red chilies and fry them or roast them until it's crisp. Now look, the mixture is perfectly done. It has got a nice aroma. My kitchen is completely filled with it. Now let's take them out in the plate and allow it to cool completely. Now you can see the masalas are cold enough. We'll add quarter cup of grated coconut and 2 pinches of Asafoetida. We'll add a little bit of a water and make a fine paste of it. Add a splash of water and blend it into a fine, silky, smooth, fine paste. Look at that color. Now the masala is ready. Let's keep this aside. In a heavy bottomed pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going in with 3 large chopped chunky pieces of onions. I have taken nearly 3 onions. And add green chilies to match your spice level. I'm just adding 3 for my liking. And add 3 chunky ripe tomatoes, and even that should be chopped in a chunky big pieces, like just like this. Total 3 numbers of tomatoes. And we'll add salt as per the taste. I'm here adding nearly tablespoon of it. And we'll add some turmeric, nearly a pinch of turmeric, and saute until the tomatoes and onions are just sweat. So now what we'll do, we'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on a medium flame. After 2 minutes, now look, the onions or tomatoes are perfectly soft. This is the texture what we are looking for. Just look at this. Perfect. At this time, pour in that vibrant masala paste and give it a short saute. And now add the water. Here, always use hot water here to keep the flavors alive. Let it boil. I have taken this small cup full of tur dal and pressure cooked this for about 2 whistles. Now we'll add this boiled dal to this sambar. And add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Adjust the tanginess to your liking. I'm going to add nearly 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. And now the most important ingredient for that true Bangalore flavor, 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Never skip this. It's what creates the magical balance. Let it simmer on a low to medium flame for about 10 minutes or so. Now look, allow this to boil and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can smell the sambar aroma everywhere. Now we'll add nearly a tablespoon of Hing water. That's Asafoetida, or else you can add the powdered Hing also. So just give it a nice mix and allow this to boil for around another 2 minutes or so. And now the sambar is done. Let's keep this aside. Now let's see how to make the tempering. To make this tempering, I have taken a tadka pan. To this I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, we'll add a half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and add 2 red chillies, and we'll add a sprig of curry leaves. Now the tempering is perfectly done. Now let's pour this tempering on to the sambar. Just look at that sizzle, how beautiful it is, and my god. Now let's add the chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. And that's it. Just look at that authentic, thick and delicious Bengaluru Tiffin Sambar is now ready to taste. Just look at the texture. It's not just a side dish, it's an emotion. This specific consistency, silky, slightly thick and clinging to that idli, is what makes this Bengaluru hotel style Tiffin Sambar legendary. You can travel the world, but this unique balance of spice, tangy and that hint of jaggery sweetness is treasure found only in our Bangalore hotels. When that soft pillow idlis absorb this golden nectar, every bite is tribute to our rich food culture. If this brought you a smile on your face, smash that subscribe button and join our cooking family. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. We'll be back with another such yummy recipe. Till then, this is Deepaks signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.